Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Claude to follow complex multi-step instructions more accurately and consistently. One of the most common mistakes people make when using Claude is giving it a long list of instructions all at once without any structure. When a prompt contains multiple tasks, requirements, and formatting rules mixed together, Claude may miss some details or focus more heavily on certain instructions than others. The good news is that there are several simple techniques you can use to improve the results. The first step is to break your instructions into clearly numbered sections. Instead of writing everything in one paragraph, organize your request into individual steps. For example, if you want Claude to research a topic, summarize the findings, and then create a presentation outline, list those as Step 1, Step 2, and Step 3. This makes it much easier for Claude to understand the order in which the tasks should be completed. Another effective strategy is to separate the task from the requirements. First, explain what you want Claude to do. Then create a separate section for rules and constraints. This could include things like word count limits, writing style preferences, target audience, formatting requirements, or information that should be avoided. Keeping these elements separate reduces confusion and helps Claude follow your instructions more closely. You should also provide context whenever possible. Claude performs much better when it understands the purpose behind the task. For example, instead of simply asking for a report, explain who the report is for, what goal it should achieve, and how the information will be used. Additional context often leads to more relevant and useful responses. For particularly complex requests, consider using XML tags or headings to organize different sections of your prompt. You can create sections such as context, task, requirements, examples, and output format. This structure helps Claude identify exactly what information belongs where and can significantly improve how well it follows multi-step instructions. Another useful technique is to ask Claude to confirm its understanding before completing the task. For example, you can say, first, summarize the instructions you will follow, then complete the task. This allows you to verify that Claude has interpreted your request correctly before it generates the final output. If your project is very large, avoid trying to accomplish everything in a single prompt. Instead, break the work into stages. You might start by having Claude create an outline, then review the outline, and finally ask it to expand each section. This step-by-step approach often produces much better results than attempting to generate an entire project at once. You can also provide examples of the type of output you want. Examples reduce ambiguity and give Claude a clearer understanding of your expectations. Even a short sample can help guide the response in the right direction. A simple template you can use is context, task, step-by-step instructions, requirements, and output format. Organizing your prompts this way makes it much easier for Claude to understand what you need and helps ensure that important instructions are not overlooked. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.